Okay, so let's try this again. We're going to go to Tinkercad, Tinkercad. You're going to click on this first link, tinkercad.com. All right. I need to log out. This isn't what it's going to look like when you go to Tinkercad. It's going to look like this. So you'll click login, student accounts, and then sign in with Google. It might have you select your Google account. If it does, select Google account. Once it loads, you'll want to go to resources on the top middle, and then the Learning Center. It says get started fast with these easy tutorials. All right. So you want to click view all because you need to do more than just these first 3. You need to do the first 8. Okay. So it would be all of them up to and including duplicated. Okay. So you don't want to stop until you get to duplicated, basically. Now if I go to place it, I click start. It's going to go into the place it tutorial, which is really simple. Let me delete this out. All right. So you'll notice there is instructions over here. This is really important that you read these instructions and do each step. All right. As you get to the older or the more advanced tutorials, they're going to expect that you read these instructions and picked up a few context clues. For instance, the work plane. So see the orange work plane? This blue thing that says work plane is the work plane. This orange box is a hint. Hints help guide you as you get started. Find the box shape in the shapes panel on the right side of the screen. So again, it's going to expect that you understand that this is the shapes panel because you read this step. This is the shapes panel. So let's pull this box and drop it. Now we click and drag like it says in step 4. Left click and drag the box shape to the hint on the work plane like I just did. Continue to the next step. Click next. All right, I'm done. It's that simple. Now if I click continue, it goes to the next tutorial. It'll automatically load that. You don't have to go to resources and go back to the tutorials. You just click continue and it'll take you to the next tutorial, which is learning how to zoom and viewing it. Okay. So if you have a mouse, yeah, that's not going to be your first step. So let me reset this. There we go. View it. Oh, there we go. So the first step is view it. And it's just left click and drag anywhere on the view cube. Now the view cube is this thing. That's why it has this picture. Okay. So the view cube is this. If I click on the top, it's going to go to the top. If I click on the front, it's going to go to the front. If I go to this corner, it's going to make an isometric. Okay, those are all things you should know from doing those drawings. So like it says, try clicking different areas on the view cube. Okay. Now, continue the next step. If you have a mouse, the scroll wheel, it shows you how to scroll in and out. Even if you don't have a scroll wheel, it shows you how to zoom in and out. Okay, so this shows you how to zoom. Okay, and you can also zoom with the plus and minus buttons. Next, now you'll want to keep going through these tutorials. Okay, do each step, read the instructions. Okay, once you get to the end, click done, and then continue. All right, you'll keep continuing these. Now, let's say the class is over, you didn't finish. That's okay. Close out of this, it'll automatically save your progress. Okay, and then to get to the tutorial, tomorrow you'll just log back into Tinkercad like we did at the beginning of this video, and it'll look somewhat like this. And this is the dashboard. So if I click on that, it takes me back to basically our home page. Now, this is the screen you'll submit. You'll print screen and submit, showing that you did all these and get credit for the assignment. Now, if you're in one of these other spots, make sure you click on tutorials and it'll show the tutorials. Here are the tutorials that you've completed. And again, this is the screen that you'll want to print screen and submit for credit. Okay. And let's say you didn't finish the next day, you log in, you go to resources, learning center, and you continue on with the one that you left off on. If you don't know which one that is, click on this Tinkercad icon and go to tutorials and it will show you the ones you've done. So let's say you have view it, or place it, view it, move it. Well, that's the first three, and you would click view all, and you start with rotate it. All right. And again, this is the screen you submit. Okay. All right. Hope that helps. Good luck.